You are custodian of a very important job, which is narrative, storytelling. And I believe that as long as you have that purity of purpose, and you do not necessarily make this film to win an award, to be shortlisted, but you be true to yourself.
First of all, you should really be sure you want to do it. And if you want to do it, do not be entitled. Don't ever stop shooting if you really want to make films. And understand that no one's going to present an opportunity to you on a platter. That hardly ever happens. If you want to be a filmmaker, you need to create the opportunities for you.
Forget the glamour, forget the rest of everything and the financial success. Just make a very good film.
Make it local, like bring your local knowledge into it, bring your cultural richness into it. Make it really exciting and inspiring, but by just looking what's around you, because that is interesting for people in other markets, in other countries, because they really want to understand where you're coming from.
I recommend you start making a lot of short films. A lot of how I started was I started making music videos, which is a great medium to polish your skills and get your name out there at the same time.
Just do it, because I know that sometimes the hardest step to take is that first step. To make that decision to do it, don't think about it. Don't think your idea is silly, don't negate anything, just go for it. One idea always leads to another, so just work off of that.
Keep the passion going. It will get tough. It's a crazy business, this business of film, whether it's a doc or a television series or a feature film. Crazy people get into it, but crazy, fun, passionate people get into it. And it's one of the best things you can do, is to tell a story visually, because you move so many people. You can create a difference in people's lives, you can move people to tears, to laughter, you can inform people, you can entertain people.
If you haven't failed as a filmmaker, you probably weren't ambitious enough. And if you have, congratulations, you're on your way to becoming a great filmmaker. As Beckett puts it, better fail next time. Be fearless and take the plunge.